Hello, friends. How are you all? I hope you are doing fine. We are going to see something very interesting, and it's nothing but Scamper. What is Scamper? Whenever you have an idea in hand, and if you want to curate it better, people normally follow Scamper. What is Scamper, sir? Scamper is a combination of substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse techniques. We are going to learn all these, which will help you in bettermenting your ideas. It will improve your creativity, it will enhance your ideas, and for sure, this is going to give you better results. We'll take an example, we'll go step by step in each of these, and I'll let you know how exactly things work. Now let's take some product or service that you want to improve. Let's apply Scamper to it. You will see the results, and the results would be really encouraging. Let's get into yes in Scamper. What is yes? Yes is nothing but substitute. What resources can be substituted? What materials can be substituted? What other processes can be used? Can you substitute some rules? Can you move this person out of the team and bring somebody in? All these are called substitution aspects. I can analyze what all can be substituted with something else, and that's called yes in Scamper. And I can give you a simple example. Can we substitute a 5-gear system with a 4-gear system? Can we substitute sensor A with B? Can we substitute algorithm A with B? All these could improve efficiency or give better results. That's called substitution. So whenever you have an idea, you should always think about what all can be substituting. I'll give you a simple example from cricket. Can I substitute Shubham Gill with Prithvi Shaw? Will it give me better results? That's it. That's called substitution. So the yes in Scamper is all about substituting. C. Combine. What is it? Can we combine this product with another? Can we combine this product with another in such a way that we get a new product out? Can we combine the purposes? Can we combine the objectives? Can we combine and use the resources? What all can be combined to make the system give better results? All these are the views that you need to look into when you think about C, which is nothing but combine. How about combining the solar with electric bike? This is the question that you can ask yourself if you are building a product that line. How about combining computer science with electronics? That would be nice. So the combination is to be thought of whenever you have an idea. So the S is for substitute, C is for combination. A. What is A? Adapt. What is it? Well, what else is your product like? This is a very important question. What else is your product like? And what else your product can do? That is, do we have any other purpose for the product? I have a product. Can I do something else also with the product? That's a very important question that you need to ask yourself. So, if so, you've got a chance there as well. What other context can the product be used? Can we have a wing in the scooter? Just a funny thing. Can we have a wing for the scooter? That's the way you need to think. That's the way creatively you need to think. This adapt will let you think about what are the other possibilities for your product. I have product A, it can do some things. What other purposes can it meet? I have already designed an algorithm, it does something. Can it also do something? So we need to understand that the A is very important and A is called adapt. S is for substitute, C is for combine, and A is for adapt. Now, modify. M is for modify. How do you change the color? Can you change the shape of the product? How good it would be to change the feel of the product? What would you add to modify the system towards adding value? Can we make the system big? Can we make the system small? All these are the questions that one should ask towards looking into the aspect of M, which is nothing but modification. All these should be asked because you could improve your product, betterment your product, or get your product to the next level. So this is all very important. Whenever you create an idea, whenever you are building an idea, think about the aspect of modification also, so that it can open the doors for bettermenting the product. A simple example could be adding mobile charging unit in the bike is an innovation. I modify it slightly. Providing an adjustable last row in the car. I have a car, the last row should be adjustable. It's a small modification that I have to do so that I can take freight or load along with me. That's it. It's the simplest way you can think. Now, P. What is P? P is nothing but put to other users. Right. Scamper, we have seen SCAM. P is what is now we are seeing. P is nothing but put to other use. Can this product be used in other industry? Think about it. I am building a product. Can this be used in other industry? Can someone else use this product? I have designed a product. Can someone else also deploy this product and use? What other purposes can the product serve in the current state? Remember it. What other purposes in the current state it can serve? Can we use fire alarm and design for household in the industry? That's the simplest way I can ask you a question. I have designed a fire alarm, but I designed it for household. Can I use it also for industry? Can I use it for a theater? Like that, I need to think. This is called P, which is nothing but put to other use. E, eliminate. What is eliminate? How could you simplify the product? What features, parts, or rules which are unnecessary, which are found to be additional stuff can be eliminated? How could you make it smaller, faster, lighter, or more fun by eliminating the unnecessary stuff? What will happen if you take away some part of the product or some parts of the product? You need to think about it. So you have got a product, you have designed it. You need to now identify, is there something in addition which is an add-on to it, which will not make any value to it. So we need to identify those. So eliminate the things which are really not required. And this aspect of thinking is very important because it is going to cut the cost. It is going to improve the product. It is going to reduce the weight. I mean the form factor. Everything will be bettermented through this approach of elimination. But you should not eliminate the core content. What is R? R is nothing but reverse. What would happen if you reverse the process? You should ask yourself the question. You have been following a process to build the product, to build the idea further. You can also ask yourself a question. What if I reverse it? There could be some great things which could born, which could get birth when you reverse things. What if you try the exact opposite things against what you have done? You need to think about it. What components could you substitute or change in order? I mean, what are all the components that you can really change? I have got a lot of components. I have got real set of components available. I need to change. What could be changed? You need to think about it. I have got ABC. Can I replace it with the DEF? What will happen? What roles can we swap? I have got multiple roles for each and every components, maybe for resources. Can I swap roles to see if they will give me better results? And the most importantly, how do you reorganize this product? I want to reorganize. What are all the options that I will have in order to reorganize it? So all these are very important. So essentially, what is Scamper? Scamper is nothing but substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate and reverse. This will definitely improve your idea, and whenever you are going for a hackathon or whenever you are going for building a product, please follow this. You will definitely get better results. Thank you very much for following my channel and the content. If you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. In case you like the channel, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you.